Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to upload your resume on Upwork. This is a great way to showcase your professional background directly on your profile, making it easier for potential clients to see your qualifications and experience at a glance. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to upwork.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign into your account. After logging in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select your profile. This will take you to your main profile page where you can manage all your professional information and portfolio items. Now, on your profile page, look for the portfolio section. Right beside it, you'll notice a plus sign. Click on this plus sign to begin adding a new portfolio item. This is where you'll be uploading your resume as a project showcase, allowing clients to view it alongside your other work samples and accomplishments. After clicking the plus sign, you'll be prompted to enter some details about what you're adding. In the project title field, type resume. Keep it simple and clear so clients immediately understand what they're looking at. This straightforward labeling helps maintain a professional and organized profile. Next, move to the project description field. Here you'll want to enter a brief description of your resume. You might mention your professional background, key achievements, or the types of roles you're qualified for. This gives context to anyone viewing your portfolio and helps them understand your expertise before they even open the document. Below that, you'll find fields for skills and deliverables. Enter the relevant skills that are highlighted in your resume, as well as any specific deliverables or accomplishments you want to emphasize. This metadata helps your profile appear in relevant searches and gives clients a quick overview of your capabilities. Now it's time to actually upload your resume file. Navigate to the Add Content section where you'll see an Add PDF Files button. Click on this button to open your file browser. Browse through your folders and locate your resume file. Once you've found it, select it and click Open. The file will begin uploading to your portfolio, and you may need to wait a moment while Upwork processes the document. After the upload is complete, look to the bottom right of the screen and click Next Preview. This allows you to see how your resume will appear to clients visiting your profile. It's a good opportunity to make sure everything looks professional and is displaying correctly. Once you're satisfied with the preview, click Next Thumbnail. This step lets you choose or confirm the thumbnail image that will represent this portfolio item on your profile. Finally, when everything looks good, click Publish. Your resume is now live on your Upwork profile, visible to potential clients who want to learn more about your background. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded your resume to Upwork, giving clients easy access to your professional credentials. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.